Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question, count only repeated. So in this question we are given with an array which consists of some elements which are consecutive. That means let's say we have an array 6, 7, 8, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So in this array we have to find the only repeated element and the number of times it is repeating. So that means we can see here we have 8 which is repeating twice. Okay, so our answer should be the element that is repeating and number of times it is repeating. 2 times it is repeating, so our answer will be 8 space 2. Okay, and the elements in this array are consecutive. That means the maximum difference between the elements, between the consecutive elements, will be 1 only. Max difference will be 1 only, less than equal to 1. Okay, and we have to find this, the first only repeated element in this array. So let's see different approaches how we can solve this question. The first and very simple approach that we can follow is, let's say these are the elements in the array and we have their indexes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what can we do is we start traversing this array. As we know, this is sorted. Okay, and if it is sorted, we know the first element is the smallest and the last element is the largest, and the answer will lie between this only, from 6 to 10. So what we will do is we start traversing this array. So the consecutive element should have a difference of maximum of 1. If the difference is 1, then this element is not repeating. If difference is 0, this is the element that is repeating. Okay. So let's see how we can do this. First I'll be on 6 and I'll see if 7 minus 6 is 1 or 0. It is 1. So we will move forward. Then I'll see when I will come on 7 that if 8 minus 7 is 1 or 0, it is 1 again, so I'll move forward. Now when I come to the second index, then I'll see if array of 3 minus array of 2 is 1 or 0. So here it is 0. Okay, that means we have found our element which is repeating, which is 8. One of the answers is array of 2. Now we have found the element which is repeating. Now what we have to do is how many times it is repeating. We have to find it. How we can do that? As we know, we are on the second index right now. Okay. So what we will do is we will take a count variable. We will have initial value of 1 in it. And what we will do is we will keep increasing it until we again find another element whose difference is 1 with this element. That means, as we can see, array of 3 minus array of 2 is 0. So I'll increase my count. It will become 2. So now I'll move my pointer to third index and I'll see if array of 4 minus array of 3 is 1 or 0. It is 1. So we have to stop there, and we have found our count as well, that is 2. So our answer will be 8 and 2. Okay. This way we can find the answer, and this is our simple approach. But how much time this approach will take? We have to traverse this whole array, so it will take big O of n time, right? Just big O of n time, nothing more. And we are not using extra space, so it will be big O of 1. Okay. Now let's see the more efficient approach to solve this question. Now let's see another approach to solve this question. As we know, we need to find two things. First is the element that is repeating and number of times it is repeating. Okay. Let's first find how many times the element is repeating. Okay, how we can find that? We know the number of elements in this array, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is the number of elements in this array. We also know the number of unique elements in this array. Those are 10 minus 6. Why? Because this array is sorted. So the number of elements that are not repeating themselves will be the subtraction of 10 minus 6, which will be minus 6, which is equal to 4. So the 4 elements are there in this array which are not repeating themselves. Right? So total number of elements we know are 6, and the numbers that are not repeating themselves are 4. So we can find the frequency of that element which is repeating itself. That will be 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. As you can see, 8 is repeating itself twice, so our answer will be 2 only for the frequency part. Now we need to find the element which is repeating. So first let's write the formula to find the frequency of that element. That will be n minus 1 plus array of n minus 1 minus array of 0. Okay, n is the size of the array. Array of n minus 1 is the last element, array of 0 is the first element, and that will be the frequency of that element that is repeating itself. Now let's find the element that is repeating itself. Now let's see how we can find the element. We have already found the frequency. Now we want to find the element. So as we know, the array is sorted. So the first instinct to reduce the time is we can do binary search. Okay, and that is what we have to do. We will find if a particular element is at its right position or not. Okay, by using binary search. So in binary search, first we have start pointer. Okay, we have our end pointer, and we will calculate first mid. So our mid will be start plus end by 2. So it will be 5 plus 0 by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay, so first of all our mid will point to second index. So what we will do here is we will check if this element is at its correct position or not. So how we can check if it is correct position or not? So as we know, the second index element, if it is sorted and every element is consecutive element, should be 8 for sure, because the first element is 6, next element should be 7, and next element should be 8. Okay, if it is not 8, then we have to change our start pointer or end pointer accordingly, but right now it is 8 only. So what we will do, we can surely say that before it all the elements are at their correct position. There is no repetition, as the array of 2 is at its correct position. Now what we will do, as it is on the correct position, so we have to check on its right part. Now what we will do, we will point our start now to mid plus 1. So now our start will point at here. Okay, not here. So our new mid will be 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 4. Now we have to check for 4, if 4 is at its correct position or not. Let's erase it a little bit. Now this is our condition. Our mid is pointing at 4, start is at 3, and end is at 5. Now again the same thing, if 9 is at its correct position or not. So what should be at the position 4 of this array? It should be 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. How I am calculating this? So array of 0 is fixed here, right? Plus the index that we are considering, that is mid. Okay, so this should be the element at the mid position, because this array consists of consecutive elements only. So it should be 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So our mid element should be 10 here, but it is 9. That means our left part of the array has some repeating elements. So what we will do is we will go to left here. Okay, that means our end pointer should shift now. Now our end pointer will point at the mid. Okay, so now our end pointer will be equal to mid, that is, and will point at 4, and our start will remain at the same position, which is 3. So let's erase it a little bit. And so what is the situation right now? Our start is at here, our end is at here. So new mid will be 4 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3. So now I have to check for 3, as it is our new mid. So as we can see, the third index of this array contains 8. That means it should contain 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9, but it is containing 8. So this part is, again we can say that on the left part there is some repeating elements, because this element is not at its correct position. So now again we will move left. So now what will happen? Our end pointer will point at the mid now. So our end will become mid, which is equal to 3, and our start will remain at 3 only. So as we know the condition for binary search, as soon as the start becomes greater or equal to end, we have to stop. So this way we will find our element which is repeating itself in this array. So here array of start will point at the element, or we can say array of mid or array of end, we can use anything, because all will be pointing at the same element in this part. So that will be our answer. This way we have to find the element which is repeating itself in this array. Okay, 8 is the element which is repeating, and the frequency is 2. We have calculated it before as well. Now let's move forward to the code. We will understand it better there. Okay, now let's consider the code implementation for this question. So we have this main function, we have array n equal to 5, and we are calling this count repeated function here. So as we have discussed here before as well, we have to return two things. First is the number which is repeating, and the frequency, how many times that number is repeating. Okay, so we have taken this example 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and let's take 10 as well. Okay, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the indexes, and this is an array. So now let's understand this code. We have start and end. Start is at 0, and end is at n minus 1. Okay, so while start is less than end, we have to find the mid first. So our mid will be 0 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay, so our mid will be pointing at 7. Okay, now what we have to check, if array of mid is greater than equal to array of 0 plus mid. Same thing. So array of mid is 7, and we have to check if it is greater than or equal to array of 0, which is 6 plus the index. So array of mid is 7, it is greater than equal to array of 0 is 6 plus mid is 2, it is equal to 8. So this is not true, this condition is not true here, so we will move to else part. So end is equal to mid. So what we have to do is, now our end will not point to the last element, it will point to our mid element. Because why this has happened? Because as this condition is not satisfying, that this element is not at its correct position, so we know that the answer is in the left part, not on the right part. So the right part is sorted and the elements are at their correct positions. Now we have to check again. We have to find the mid. Now our mid will be n plus start by 2, which is 2 plus 0 by 2, which is equal to 1. So we have to check for 1 now. Same condition, if array of mid is greater than equal to array of 0 plus mid, we have to check the position if it is at the right position or not. So array of mid is 7, as you can see here, and array of 0 plus mid is 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So this condition is satisfying. So our mid will be mid plus 1. So our mid will now, sorry, our start will be mid plus 1. So our mid is this. So our start will be pointing at second index now. Now our start and end are pointing to the same element, which is second element. So this loop will stop because it will run only till end is greater than start. Now we have got our element that the array of 2 is the element which is repeating itself. Okay, which is here equal to 7. Now let's see the frequency part as well. So as we know, we have calculated the frequency before as well. Frequency is n, which is 6 here in this array. Okay, so it is 6 minus array of n minus 1, which is 10, minus array of 0, which is 6. So it will be 6 minus 4, which is 2. So the 7 is repeating 2 times. So we have found our frequency and the element is 7. So after that it will print array of start plus frequency. So array of start is 7 and our frequency is 2. So this will be our answer. Okay. This way we have to solve this question. Thank you.